All right. So, who are we here with today?
Siddhika.
Siddhika. Very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
All right, Siddhika. What's your relationship status?
I'm currently committed.
You are great. How long have you been in a relationship?
6 months now.
6 months.
Yeah.
Very cool. So before you got into this relationship, how many hearts did you break?
Oh my god. 3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. How deep were they?
One person moved here to Mumbai for me, and then I
Wow.
just didn't feel like it.
Oh my God, that's huge. Where, did he move from somewhere in India or was
Somewhere in India.
somewhere in
Yeah.
India? But still, that's a huge thing.
Yeah.
All right. So, tell us about a time when you were toxic in the past. Except for this one guy, of course. He came down from out of town to Mumbai. But apart from him, have you?
All the time.
What other kinds of toxic behaviors have you portrayed?
Oh my god. I really have to self-reflect and tell you.
It'll be great if you could.
Oh god. I really cannot think of anything.
So you haven't been toxic except for this one thing.
I have always been toxic, but I
So it's
cannot
hard
just.
for you to even think of all the times that you.
Yeah, exactly. It's just so normal for me.
Okay. All right. We'll leave it at that. Awesome. So, do you think you're wifey material?
Oh, he says yes. Yes.
She is. Okay. What makes you wifey material?
Is it okay if he says it? What makes me wifey material?
Yeah, I mean, if you can come into the camera and then maybe tell us what makes her wifey.
Because he'll be the right person to say it.
Yeah. All right. So start with your name.
Yeah,
on
well,
the camera.
hi. My name is Karan. So when it comes to the wifey material part about her,
Yeah.
I mean, she's all rounder when it comes to anything and everything. So
Okay.
that makes her
That
a
makes
wifey
her
material.
a
I mean,
wifey.
she's understanding. She knows how to cook. She knows how to even Basically, she
Yeah.
does everything that a man needs. So
Like
basically,
a traditional relationship.
yeah, you can say that. Yes.
Yeah, she's more of a traditional woman who serves a man in more traditional ways.
Yes.
Very cool. Very cool. That's awesome. Thanks for that. All right. And then, could you describe any of your exes as a food item?
A rotten fish.
A rotten. Wow. Okay. Rotten fish. Wow. That smells.
So does
What's one thing that men do that make them feminine?
Oh. Just show off the money. Like try to show off,
Right.
even though they are not rich. They just want to show it off that they are rich.
Correct. Pointlessly, like flexing.
Yeah,
flexing
yeah,
their
yeah.
wealth
Yeah,
that they don't even have.
Exactly. That's not even theirs.
Right. Great. Last couple of questions and I'll let you go.
Okay.
Would you rather be with a fat guy or an ugly guy? Fat or ugly? Like that's the pick.
Ugly.
Ugly. Because the ugly guy can still be in shape, but the fat guy is like completely out. So, alright.
Yeah, I mean, can you imagine a fat guy with me?
Absolutely
I don't
not.
think so.
No. I couldn't. What's one of the most annoying things about men?
Oh wow. Everything, I
Everything?
guess. Everything about men is annoying.
Wow. That's huge. I mean, alright, so what's one thing that you actually find attractive in men?
The most annoying thing is when they're too obsessed with their guy best friends. Like they can be obsessed with their guy
Okay.
friends,
Yeah.
but being
Bro.
too obsessed with their bros is like too much.
It is
Yeah.
a little too much.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Alright, last question, then I'll let you go.
Okay.
Alright, so what's one thing that women have that men don't?
Understanding.
Understand.
The level of understanding women have, I don't think men do.
No, man. I mean, we agree on that. Man.
See,
Like,
if he was that understanding, he would have understood that this is for content because I also create content.
Okay.
But clearly, you don't understand. This is the thing that women have that men do.
all right. Well, those are all the things I had for you. Thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate you answering our questions.
Thank you so much. It
Awesome.
was lovely talking.
Absolutely.